This is the website that I was talking about, Clickbank.com. It's an it's an affiliate network, and they they paid out 6.2 billion in commissions to over 100,000 affiliates. I mean, you can't go wrong with this network because they've been around for about 25 years. So you cannot go wrong. They're pretty long time contender. They're one of the top affiliate networks out there right now, where you can promote products and services, for many vendors. Okay, I'm signed into the dashboard right now, and there's many types of offers to promote. We got the e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness. We got a lot of offers to promote in different categories, different verticals. We got e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness. It even lists the top offers and the new offers. But let's say you want to promote. Let's say you want to promote crypto. Just type in crypto in the search box and click the search icon there. As you can see, this gravity score is not the greatest here. You would have to sort it by high to low ranking, or gravity, search by gravity, high to low. Gravity means a lot of affiliates are promoting it. The higher the gravity score, the better it is. So we're sorting by the gravity score for crypto offers right now, and this one pays out $91 per sale, or actually cost per action is what it states here. So and look at this offer here. It's gravity score of about 10, and look at the payout. It's 1,000 and almost 1,200 payout. So it's a pretty big payout for one conversion, one sale. So let's take a look at this first crypto offer here. And this is the landing page where you send people to, and then they look at this, and if they buy it, if they sign up, then you get that commission, $91. Okay, so it's like a crypto offer. But let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at this offer here, the crypto code. And we can see their landing page website of what the offer is, and so you look at this page here, the crypto code. It's probably a course or a guide on how to trade crypto. How to invest in crypto. So you can see it's like a training class. So if you sell this course, if you send people to this page and they click the add to cart, then it's what they pay $1,997, almost $2,000. They're paying for this course, and then the owner of the course pays you $1,200. All right, so pretty big payout there. So yeah. So here's another one, but it's pretty low. I mean, I wouldn't even promote these because they're too low. It means that people are not even promoting it. It's not that popular. All right, so I would do this, definitely this or this. Now let's look at the hottest vertical on this marketplace is health and fitness, and we're gonna rank from gravity score of high to low. As you can see, gravity score is 738. A lot of affiliates are banking or making a lot of money from this. 500, almost 550 gravity score. A lot of affiliates are making money promoting these offers. These are weight loss offers. Pure Vive. So this one's paying over $100 of commissions, $131 per sale. So let's take a look at the landing page. This is the landing page. If you send people to this website, and so if they buy any of these, any of these products here, they can buy a bottle, or they can buy 6 bottles or 3 bottles. So if they make the purchase, then you will get paid $131 per sale. Imagine making 10 sales. That's $1,000 a day. All right, 10 sales is $1,000, over $1,000 a day, and people are doing that right now with Facebook traffic. What they do is they build landing pages on Facebook, and they promote these products. Let's take a look at this one. Sugar Defend blood sugar support. If you want to promote this, you can take a look at it. They see, send people to this page. If anyone buys this, then you get paid $136 per sale. All right. So, and this is recurring. No, that one's not recurring commission. Let's take a look at this Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. This one is $135 per sale. All right, so 318 gravity score, pretty good. A lot of affiliates are promoting this. Let's look at the landing page. This is the landing page. You send people to this landing page, and they're trying to lose weight. So you sell them this, and if they buy any of these, 6 bottles, 1 bottle, or 3 bottles, you get that $135. So as you can see, it's a pretty hot vertical, the health niche. Everybody wants to lose weight. Everyone's promoting health offers. All right, so it's pretty cool, man. And you can see the affiliate page here. It tells you, how much percentage commission they give you. They give you 85% commissions. It's about $33 per click you're earning. Average order value is over $230. So it's pretty good. Yeah, it's a pretty good vertical product here. There's even business and investing. You can there's the crypto code there. Yeah, so business and investing. Let's go to gravity high and low. 21 VIP indicator. Look at this VIP indicator. It's a profitable trading tool that predicts any market 24/7. The payout is $66.70. All right, so we'll take a look. If you send people to this offer here, and they sign up, all right, they click the join or the get access now, and then they pay $9 a month to get access on how to trade or how to look at the trading indicators. So they're paying $9 a month, but then you get paid, you're gonna get $66 a sale. All right, so, and there's rebills. You get a rebill, look at that. So you're getting that every month. So you get rebills every month.